Hi, I'm Chris Cox, founder of Robo Solutio and head of IoT for Pure Integration. I'd like to introduce you to AI Puppy. AI Puppy was a concept that I put together well over 3 years ago. So when I was heading to a smart city event in Boulder, Colorado, I received a call from my sister when I landed in Denver, saying that my mother had another serious fall in her assisted living apartment. We were already trying to find solutions for proximity tracking and trying to make sure that she with dementia would not wander out of the facility. So this presented a new problem of trying to solve and prevent these continual falls. What happens when the elderly fall? Typically it happens in the evening or at night. They get up in the middle of the night without their glasses. They may not have taken their prescriptions. They typically are unbalanced, stumble over furniture, bump into the walls, and get gashes on their head. They have head trauma, broken hips, and internal organ injuries. Quite a few seniors actually die from these serious falls, but most typically have the head injuries, the internal organ injuries, and they battle back and they rehab as well as possible, but typically it's just a partial recovery, and it continues to be a downward spiral, especially in the elderly that have dementia, diabetes, and multiple issues. So that was the case with my mother. So we started a quest really to find a solution to can we prevent falls, or can we at least identify when falls happen so that we can immediately alert family members, the staff, 911 in many cases. So what happened with my mother that evening was she fell in the middle of the night and was on the ground, laying on the ground, until somebody found her around 8 a.m. in the morning in the assisted living home. So with AI Puppy, this concept came to fruition. We were trying to find solutions, smart city solutions for elderly in the community. So AI Puppy really was designed to be a mobile robot that it was in the form factor of a cute little cuddly puppy. Who doesn't like puppies and kitty cats and other animals? But this puppy has the capabilities. The concept at the time, and again, this was well over almost 3 years ago, the concept was to be able to have video, voice control, facial recognition, object recognition, to be able to detect when somebody falls, try to elicit a response from the person who's on the ground. If there's no response, phone out via cellular connection, and that's where Sierra Wireless comes in with the SIMs for cellular connectivity, to be able to phone family, at least alert and provide a video clip, if not live streaming. So that's our goal is after the beta, to be able to provide live streaming video to a family member's mobile phone for direct connectivity and observation, and the ability to phone 911 if needed. So my goal with this, it's been a 2-year quest to find the right robot platform. We finally found the right robot that we can build the capabilities in the fall detection and all the artificial intelligence upon this platform. So our goal is to be able to continue to build out and conduct more development for more robust use cases for telemedicine, proximity location, personal assistance. Many of these capabilities are already working. The robot is fully mobile, has voice recognition, object recognition, facial recognition. We're in beta to prove out the fall detection capabilities, telemedicine, proximity location, you name it. My goal is to, my current clients are telecommunications and network operators. They've all been very interested in over the past several months, have said, once you have a prototype, once you have a proof of concept, please bring it back to us. We're getting very aggressive in the space in health monitoring, and we need your help. Other candidates and targets are insurance companies, big box retailers where we have existing relationships and colleagues, and they are also getting very aggressive in this space. So again, my small team of experts, we plan to invest more in the development of the capabilities, buy more robots, do some additional beta testing in the field, and I've got some beta test candidates already selected where we can have AI Puppy in their premise and operating at a safe distance from them so they're not a tripping hazard, and providing constant monitoring to the level that the beta testers want to provide. So thank you for this opportunity. Please do review the other video below that shows the creation and the concept and the inception of a hero, which is AI Puppy. So thanks again. We appreciate the opportunity, and we look forward to creating extraordinary value and helping elderly age in place safely and comfortably.